Hi all, I am Roop Dharak, founder director A&I Magazine, Hyderabad Arkin Publications Private Limited. So for today's podcast session, we have changed the venue for the first time, and it is at interior designer Shreya Rathi's own residence and her office at the DSR GVK Somajiguda. Hi Shreya ji, how are you?
All good, all good. Thank you so much.
Beautiful home, beautiful, really beautiful. So you can say that ki bhai, one of the best ambient scene in these days. Very beautifully
Thank
designed.
you
First
so
of all,
much.
congratulations.
Thank you
And
so
I'm
much.
sorry that I missed your opening ceremony.
Yes.
Yeah. Very sorry for that. But it's really came out well. And how are you?
All good, all good.
Just this session is all about to educate the aspiring designers, and especially like you are known as a renovation queen in Hyderabad. If I'm not wrong, 8 out of 10 projects
Yes.
are the projects which you have renovated, which is a really a very tough job.
Yes.
So would like to know about your journey, Shreya. How it started, how this make you to come into this industry, what inspired to be an interior designer, and do you ever thought that you will continue this practice for such long 17 years, it's a long duration, 17 years. How you feel all about it?
Yeah, so I'll tell. See, I'm from Maharashtra basically. I have passed in 2007. Before passing my BArch, I got married in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So 2007, I have passed out. 2005, I have got married.
Oh.
Then again, I have the passion of doing architecture and interiors. So I went back to my native place, Akola. It's in Maharashtra. And then I studied. Then I came back after 2 years and taken the training under one renowned architect called Mr. Yashwant Ramamurthy.
Okay, you've done with the
Yeah,
Chandramurthy sir.
Studio One.
Yes.
So like that, I have learned. When I have passed out, it was all manual drafting and all.
True.
I was from that era.
Yeah.
But just the 2007-8, then they started the computers and AutoCAD and other software.
True.
So this is how I learned.
True.
So it was a very, very tough job for me because I'm from a place. It's a small
I
town.
know. Yes, small
Okay.
town.
And I was not aware of driving. I was not aware of the roads. But eventually I have learned, and then I started practicing. I keep meeting people, and then from 2019 I've started my own practice.
From 2007 till 2017, you were with Yashwant Ramamurthy sir for 10 years?
Yes. In between,
Great.
I have worked with Varun Jain also for a year.
Okay, Varun Jain.
Yes,
Maradapalli. Fine,
Yes,
fine.
Yes.
Yashwant Ramamurthy sir is like a father figure for every designer.
Yeah,
He's a senior most, if I'm not wrong.
First day, the first person of the opening day, he has only come. I've
Correct.
given the time 7:02. He was here.
He's a wonderful guy. Luckily, in our this edition, 8th edition, we got a chance to feature their magazine, Telangana Bells.
Bells.
Yeah,
Yes.
we got a chance to feature. Probably we may get his appointment in day or two, so we will be handing over 8th edition also. Like we were talking about your journey, then we started walking through to your entire space. Do you remember, Shreya, which was the first project you got
Yes.
in 2019 when you started your own office?
Yes. So yes, I do remember. As you mentioned, I'm a renovation queen.
Yeah.
Very good to hear this. But I'll tell you, it is, this looks very fancy and attractive. But to be very frank, it is as difficult as it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Getting one project is very difficult.
Very tough.
So I met a guy. Now he's a friend, obviously. So he want to renovate his house in Begumpet.
Okay, then
So
the
we
first
just
project
met.
was also
We
renovation.
just met like this.
Okay.
We just crossed, and he's like, "Will you do this?" I said, "Okay, let me try." And from there, it got clicked.
Okay.
And it is not easy to do the renovation work.
Very true.
But
Very true.
now
Doing-
I'm liking it. Before and after, when I see, I get that satisfaction of the work what I do.
Very true.
That is important.
Very true. Very
Whether and in fact the client is also happy.
Yeah.
Before and after, there's a tremendous change.
true.
But with the grace of God, I'm getting good projects and villa projects and apartment, commercial.
Yeah, we are
also I'm
seeing
getting.
your work, and luckily we were lucky enough to feature your site in our first edition. I
Yes,
still
yes.
remember that.
So sweet of you. Without having any good background, he came and he was like, "Will you come in the magazine first time?" I'm like, "Okay."
No,
Yes.
it was like, see, definitely we need content and you need a publication platform.
Yes.
And it was win-win situation for both of us.
Yes,
It's
yes,
not like
yes.
that only for magazine or only for a
Yes.
professional like you. And apart from this podcast, I would like to ask about this product. What exactly is this? I'm finding it something
yes,
new.
Yes, yes. So I'll tell you, this is called a railwood.
Okay.
Railwood is Reliance wood
Hmm.
basically, and this is a new in market. You can bend in any shape.
Okay.
जितना सिंपल दिख रहा है उतना नहीं है. इसके अंदर फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू द केसिंग ऑफ MS. MS की केसिंग होती है. MS के केसिंग के बाद I'll share the pictures. You can just add those pictures.
Please.
In MS का केसिंग के बाद you add small pieces
Of wood.
of wood, of
Okay.
railwood, and after that you need to do the grinding. After grinding, they'll take this to the side. You have to fix both in the top portion and in the
Bottom.
floor.
Yeah.
And then I have done the deco paint on this.
Okay. So basically, to break the monotony of your gray color, you added the red color, I guess.
Yes. And this is not very,
No,
It's
this
not
is
a
just
blood red.
breaking the small
Yes.
monotony of the
yes
gray color. But
Yes.
it really looked beautiful. So, where do you procure this from, ma'am? Hyderabad itself?
Yeah, Hyderabad.
So, generally, you purchase it from Hyderabad or you travel abroad?
Yeah. No, mostly I'm doing from Hyderabad.
That's
And-
so nice of you that you're giving a chance to purely to the Hyderabad.
Yes,
vendors.
and I use all made in India products.
That's very
My
nice.
sofa, my dining table, my everything is made in India.
That's so nice.
Yes. From my PVD coating to my ceramic coating to everything is made in India.
That's so nice of you. It's been long you're working in this industry and it's almost 17 years. Again, I'm saying that. You have designed n number of spaces, you have renovated n number of spaces. So, how tough it is to design your own space when compared to the client space?
Yes, it is difficult. See, you have a different kind of pressure which you cannot express very easily.
True.
But you have your relatives' pressure.
True.
How she will design her own house.
Yeah.
Client will have different expectation.
Yes.
How she will design her own house so that she can design our own house.
Very true.
And
Very
so
true.
it was a little challenging, of course, for me. But I was very sure what I wanted in the house. I want the minimal house because
Yeah.
I'm a working person.
Mm.
So I cannot, whole day dusting the house and doing that work.
Yeah.
I want maintenance-free house.
Yeah.
That was my
Like-
minimal furniture.
Like yours is a nuclear family, like
Yes.
you, your husband, and your daughter.
Yes.
Generally, when you design the space, it is of the joint families also. So, does that requirement also matters while designing? Do you think?
Yes. Because everywhere I have given my personal touch.
Yeah.
And to be very frank, while selecting or having any opinion, I know that there are not so many opinions around me.
True. Very true.
Okay, मुझे करना है, मुझे मेरे हिसाब से करना है.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't have to answer anybody
Yeah.
or I don't have to ask anybody. That
True.
was a thing.
True.
And
this is your balcony, if I'm not wrong.
yes,
This
that's a
area.
balcony. I'll just show you. So this is all automized
Yeah.
basically. And the balcony is a very cozy corner of a house.
Yes. Garden view.
Yeah,
It's
being on the ground floor, that's the best part.
Yeah.
It giving a bungalow look.
Let's sit here. Enjoy your cozy corner of your home.
This is also, it was my old sofa.
Okay, this one.
This was my old sofa. I have changed the
So
upholstery.
you didn't miss renovation here.
Yes. So I have added this Mughal arch and Mughal jali
Yeah.
with the curtains.
Yeah.
So
This is
it
adding a
gives a-
luxury, wo jo एक luxury होती है
Yes.
निजाम जमाने की.
Yes.
You're
yes.
trying to show that.
With the Moroccan tiles, handmade Moroccan tiles I have used.
Yeah.
Just I wanted this kind of day bed whenever I am sitting or thinking or doing any design. I sit here, I see outside and I do my work.
Because generally when you are in a nice ambience, your
Yeah.
creativity level increases.
Yeah. And basically, I think every person should have one corner for themselves in their own house.
So while designing your client space, also you focus on that to give them some space
yes.
for the.
In fact, we go in so detail. If you are a client, we ask you what, like for the designing wardrobe also, we ask you how you hang your clothes, whether you hang in the hanger or you do like in the folding thing. We ask
Basically, you
very
understand their lifestyle and
yes,
design the
yes,
things.
Yes, we go in very detail. We don't do the general designing.
Okay, matlab you understand the
All
entire
inputs
lifestyle
with-
of the
yes,
clients, then you do
yes,
the work.
Yes.
So, what is your major interest, Shreya? You majorly love doing residential projects or commercial projects?
Residential. Though it has more challenges and more hectic, but I like residential. Being a female, being a woman, I can relate and I can design. For kitchen also, I design small. Achar ki bottle kahan aayegi, spoon kahan aayega. All that.
Because you know
I
the
design.
kitchen lifestyle na kya
Yes,
लगती है.
yes, of course. So it's not a very random design I do. I go personally according to their lifestyle, according to their dislikes. I design everything.
Generally, every designer have some inspiration. Who is your inspiration when it comes to designing fraternity? Like someone you can say, I am inspired by him or her. It's not compulsory that should be from India or Hyderabad or anyone. Generally, like you admire their work basically. You love seeing their work. You love
I will say Yashwant Ramamurthy's work.
Okay.
I really like the way he taught us basically. I'm still his student. So
like if I'm not wrong, almost everyone are his student only.
Yeah. I mean, suppose if you just ask him how you should design this flower vase also. He has n number of ideas and he'll create and he'll show. So I'm very inspired with him, and he's the first person to whom I met in Hyderabad as an architect, professional, and I had done the training under him.
Okay. So while working with Yashwant Ramamurthy sir, you were only their office part, or you used to execute the sites also?
Basically, he has a very different style of working. He used to take us to sites.
That's it.
Yeah, he used to take us to site. He used to explain, and this is how I learned basically.
Basically, you can say that he is your godfather, he is your inspiration, he is your mentor, everyone.
Yeah.
Generally, every designer have their own signature. मतलब जैसे हम लोग उनकी site देखते हैं तो we come to know कि भाई हाँ this site is of. So, do you have such signature?
Basically, if you see all the sites, they are very subtle. Yeah. You see the monochrome in the house.
Yeah.
And only few things I just pop up with the colors. But generally, it's all monochrome. See, this kind of houses, if you see after 10 years also, you will not get bored.
Very true.
So this is what I like, personally also like, and I try to convince also client ki, this is all evergreen design.
Very true. And when you design, you're purely into consultancy or contracting both?
No, right now I am only into consultancy.
Purely into consultancy.
But maybe in future I will see.
Okay, you are planning to come
yeah.
Then have you ever worked out of Hyderabad also? You're doing projects only in Hyderabad?
Yeah. No. I'm doing couple of only designing work. In Vijayawada I'm doing. In Nagpur I'm doing.
Okay.
In Aurangabad I'm giving the drawings.
Only drawings. The
only
execution
drawings.
is taken care by their own PMCs.
Yeah, PMCs.
Okay, and the selection of material and all, you do it here and send them the references.
Generally, I write the code numbers of the laminates and all.
Okay, what all you select, the finishing product and all, you give the details. And how do you enjoy working in Hyderabad? What are your reviews about Hyderabad? How is the taste? Like you're working in Nagpur also, you're working in Vijayawada also.
Yeah.
You've worked at pan-India level. So how do you find Hyderabad different from other cities?
See, I'm in Hyderabad from last 18-19 years.
Great. Almost half of your life went here.
Yeah. But to be very frank, I enjoy Hyderabad. People are really, client bolo, vendors bolo, jo bhi hai, people are very cooperative. I don't find any kind of challenges or language problem here. Like Telugu, from Hindi, English also you can survive easily.
Language is never a barrier in Hyderabad.
Yes. So, as such, I don't have any problem with the Hyderabad culture or Hyderabad clients.
Any message or any suggestion or any advice you would like to give to the aspiring designers of Hyderabad?
Yeah. See, I'll tell you the mentality of youngsters right now. They see something online and they want to copy it.
Social media
influence is so much that they want to copy it, but you will not understand. You don't know the material, you don't know the texture, you don't know the quality until you cannot go further.
True.
Many times I see if somebody comes to my office as a trainee or somebody, a random question I have to ask in the interview.
True.
So I ask them, do you know how many hinges are in there in one door? They are like, we are clueless, ma'am.
Yeah.
So see, this is a very poor thing. I am getting it
Generally, see, ma'am, because of A&I magazine, I get a chance to keep architects, interior designers, meet them very oftenly. So, major problem what every architect or every office is facing in our industries of staff, because you don't have any proper college. So, I had a good interaction with good interior designers, architects also. Let's open a finishing school to train the students, and once they get the certificate from our training finishing school, anyone will hire them easily, because what they have learned in the 2 years course will be taught by professional like you in 3 months,
True.
because you will make them know the practicality of site.
Yes.
Theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge, especially in this field, are entirely different.
Different. Of
What
course.
we do in the colleges, they make us drop brick and all. Nowadays it is not
Still
needed.
I'm learning. I can say every site is different challenges, every site is different, every client is different, their mentality is different, their lifestyle is different.
True.
And it's not a journey of a month. Suppose if you are a client, I have to be with you for 6 to 9 months.
minimum.
So eventually we becomes a friend. So
Yeah.
I understand how's your lifestyle, what you're liking, what you're disliking.
True. Very
So
true.
I will tell the youngsters that you need to learn first. You need to go in the depth, see the details.
Yeah.
See the details. सिर्फ ऊपर से design, no. How you have executed it, that is important.
Practicality is important. Basically, more than aesthetics, you have to work on functionality.
Yes.
So I have just one last question with you. How difficult it is for a female to manage their personal and professional life both? And when you are in a profession like interior designing, because this also require a good amount of time, good amount of dedication, and it is very tough for female to scream at site on the labor and get them the work completed and meet the timelines, managing both personal life and professional life. So this message, can you just?
Yeah. So being a female, I can say it's a challenging job. First of all, especially in this industry, it's all male-oriented industry. Wherever you go, from vendor to labor to everybody, they're all males. And out of 10 projects, 9 are handled by a male. Very few females, they get involved in the work. Okay, husband is busy, so I will take care of the work. Very few, like out of 10, one work I have like
True.
this. So it is not easy to manage the male laborers also. First of all, they have a very different attitude towards you. अरे ये कहाँ से आके मेरे को सिखा रही? So that is attitude. Yes, this is what I have. Many times it happens. So first of all, you have to have your own decorum, basically. So you should know how to manage the site.
True.
Because, after 10, 20, 30 years experience also, they think they have more experience than you.
100%.
And which is true also.
Because they're working practically.
Which is true also, because see, I can give n number of designs, but the finishing, the material, the life, he can only give it on the site. So this is one thing. Second, I will like to tell all the females that you should fulfill your dreams, whatever it is. Everybody will have the house, everybody will have the husband, everybody will have the in-laws, everybody will have the children. But where are you? You should focus first on you and rest others. This is my message to everybody. Yes.
And would like to ask you about A&I magazine. How do you find A&I magazine? 2 words for A&I.
So I should say it's a fantastic way of highlighting this industry. See, it covers the architect, designers, it covers the vendors, it covers, see, if somebody is new in the Hyderabad and they want to construct the house, other than the designer telling them few vendors' name, they themselves can see in the book and they can come to some conclusion, okay, we can go this store and we can check.
True.
So this is really, not just because he's just next to me, but it is very helpful for me also. See, being so, after so many years also in Hyderabad, I don't know all the architects. So when he gets that book and I see, okay, they're also doing good work, he's also doing good work. So that's a very nice thing to see others' work also. Otherwise, we being a designer, we don't like to see personally to go to someone's house and check their work.
True, very true.
So when you see the magazine work and you don't follow everybody on Insta,
Yeah.
Because we don't know. So this is a very, very good initiative what they have taken, and very all the best to you. You should grow and
Definitely we need your support for this, the way you're
Yes,
supporting
always,
now.
always.
So definitely we'll grow, ma'am, and we have your support always.
Yes.
So thank you again, ma'am, for giving your time in your busy schedule, even after having a number of site visits. You have given us a time for a podcast session. I really enjoyed the space, really had a great time interacting with you. And this session will be definitely very helpful to the aspiring designer. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah.